cultural norms, right? Cultural ideas, right? Cultural beliefs, cultural symbols, or language. Language is also a part of a culture.
सही बात है।
It's a constraint of an individual. In a particular action situation, you can't speak whatever you want to. Right now, I'm conversing with you. Either I'm conversing in English or in Hindi.
सही बात है।
So there is a constraint. मैं कुछ भी language use नहीं कर सकता हूँ अपनी मन मर्जी से और कुछ भी grammar construct नहीं कर सकता। So this constraint acts on me in this situation. So I am rational enough to know that people will either be understanding Hindi or the people who don't understand anything, they will be understanding English, right? ठीक है, so I am negotiating with this situation, right? तो goals क्या है? Which are sanctioned by culture, वही आप select करोगे. There is multiplicity of goals or range of choice that is available to you, right? Or means appropriate means का आप selection. Appropriate means का, right? So these are the external constraints, right? This is a culture which exists or which is external, which is internalized by the individual, and just like a social fact, it acts as a constraint on the individual behavior and action, and his behavior and action it has to be in conformity with this culture. Now in the see, if there is no law on conversion, right? Presently there is no law on conversion which bans conversion, right? So you could seek your conversion as a goal, converting a particular community in another community as a goal, which is permissible. But the means that you will be choosing, they are defined in the contemporary Indian society. आप प्रीच कर सकते हो, प्रोफेस कर सकते हो, प्रोपोगेट करते हो अपने रिलीजन को, और आप दूसरों के माइंड और आइडियाज को इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकते हो, एंड यू कैन persuade them to choose a particular religion, right? But that has to be their choice. It should be voluntariness on their part, right? Because there is a right to religion, right? आप incite करके पैसों से, right? या violence के basis पे आप करते हैं, right? These means are forbidden in Indian contemporary Indian political system, Indian society, right? So normative constraints मतलब कल्चरल वैल्यूज नॉर्म्स आइडियाज इनके बेसिस पे क्या है एक्ट करेगा, इन्हीं को के साथ नेगोशिएट करके बिहेवियर को पोर्ट्रे करेगा. नाउ अनदर इज सिचुएशनल कंस्ट्रेंट. इसमें क्या है, सॉरी आपके पार्सन्स बोलते हैं कि सिचुएशन भी कंस्ट्रेंट डालती है इंडिविजुअल, राइट? देयर आर सर्टेन कंडीशंस ऑफ एक्शन. पार्सन्स बोलते हैं देयर आर सर्टेन कंडीशंस ऑफ एक्शन, एंड दीज कंडीशंस और सिचुएशनल कंस्ट्रेंट्स दे आर गिवन, राइट? दे आर फिक्स्ड, and an actor can't alter, modify.
अभी के लिए इतना लेक्चर काफी है, नेक्स्ट इसके बाद